Alright, got it back from the shop. This motor had 20,000 miles on it, just a little less, about 18 actually, after the rebuild. And for whatever reason, I was getting some timing chain chatter, or slap, or whatever you want to call it. I went ahead and had it changed. Looks like there's a little wear on the inside of the teeth. I don't know if you can tell. It's a slight wear. It's nothing major, but it was enough. The tensioner seemed to have some grooving in the back. I'm not sure where it's from. I didn't have the means to do it, so I took it to the shop. Total cost with an oil change and a couple other small things was $328 total. We went with a more expensive timing chain kit, not to put the cheap one in. This is a lifetime warranted one. So let's see how it sounds now. It's gonna have a slight tick when it first starts, like every Jeep, until it builds oil pressure. They all do. Valves, hot rod bearings, 100 other things that I was hoping it wasn't. So it's something to look for, something to be aware of. I guess don't jump to conclusions, kind of like I did, that something major was wrong. It wasn't really that bad, but I still don't understand why within 20,000 miles the timing chain would wear, but it did. We'll see what happens.